Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm a trainee line mechanic at Unison. I studied the Electrical Engineering Level 3 at EIT and the Electrical Service Technician. I decided to do electrical because of my dad. Inspired me to pick a trade because we need more tradies in New Zealand, and so I thought I'd do the most highest paying job, which is electrical. I had a few friends that came through EIT. They said it was really good and they did help them to get jobs, and I didn't really want to move off to university and have a big student loan. So our scholarship, the Māori Pacific Trade Training, it was just everything that I needed, and so I went for it and they gave it to me and they helped supported me, just everything to get me here to my studies. My tutors and my Māori Pacific Trade Training coaches were here to help. I love my job very much. As a trainee line mechanic at Unison, I have to do maintenance on the power lines, and you learn how to do underground wiring pedestals to houses, and there's a lot that goes into our job, so it's not just one thing every day, it's always going to be different. They're lovely. I think they're awesome. They're a good company to work for. I would recommend EIT. EIT, they just support you the whole way, even when you get your apprenticeship or you get a job somewhere, they're always there to help you if you need anything else.